A student takes some tablets he is offered at a disco, and without asking what they are, he swallows them. A short time later, he starts a hyperventilate and becomes very hot. What is the most likely action of tablets has taken? An uncoupler of mitochondrial electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation. In respiratory chain, CN blocks electron flow from cyto A plus A to O2. ठीक है. In respiratory chains, amytal blocks electron transport from FMN to COQ. In respiratory chain, antimycin A block electron transport from cyto to BC to cyto C. Which one of the following is most potent estrogen? Estradiol, because this one is the active one. Which one of the following is most potent glucocorticoid? Cortisol. जिसके एंड में ओल डोल मतलब ओ एल आ रहा है ना, ये सारी एक्टिव फॉर्म्स होती हैं जो हमारे पास काम कर रही होती हैं. A 25-year-old man visits his GP complaining for abdominal cramps and diarrhea after drinking milk. What is the most likely cause of his problem? Lack of small intestine lactase. Which of these plasma lipoprotein is best described as follows? Synthesized in the intestinal mucosa, containing a high concentration of triglycerol and mainly cleared from the circulation by adipose tissue and muscle chylomicrons. Identify the amino acid that is major contributor of hepatic glucogenosis, alanine. Which is the component of succinate dehydrogenase in the mitochondrial etc. Flavin adenine dinucleotide. A girl having basal cell carcinomas on her face and showing unusual sensitivity to light may have which kind of defective process? Removal of pyrimidine trimers from DNA. A gallstone that blocked the upper part of the bile would cause increase the which of the following excretion of fats in the feces? The hypocholesterolemic drugs statin are comparative inhibitors of HMG-CoA reductase, which converts HMG-CoA in which of the following? Mevalonate. Which of the following hydrolyzes triglycerols from chylomicrons and VLDL? Lipoprotein lipase. The major metabolic product produced under normal circumstances by erythrocyte and by muscle cells during intense exercise is recycled through the liver in the Cori cycle. The metabolite is lactate. Which of the following biochemical change is noted in Cushing syndrome? Cushing syndrome, a disease of adrenal cortex. Excessive production of cortisol. A high ratio of insulin in glucagon can promote triglyceride storage. Maple syrup urine disease is related to branch chain amino acid catabolism. In alkaptonuria, there is deficiency of homogentic oxidase. In alkaptonuria, there is deficiency of homogentic oxidase. Which of the following hormones is responsible for the secretion of pancreatic juice? Secretin आना था, यहाँ secretion लिखा हुआ है. In humans, the principal breakdown product of urine is uric acid. All are true about Lesch-Nyhan syndrome except inheritance is autosomal recessive. 2 nitrogen of pyrimidine ring are obtained from aspartate and carbomoyl P. In mammalian cell, ribosomal DNA is produced mainly in the nucleus. All the following statements characterize DNA replication except DNA is synthesized in a 3 to 5 direction on one parental strand and in a 5 to 3 direction on other. Which of the following gene of E. coli lack operon codes of constituted proteins? The I gene. Which one of the following is most potent mineral corticoid? Aldosterone. In B-oxidation of fatty acid, which of the following are utilized in coenzymes FAD and NAD+? The most important source of reducing equivalents for FA synthesis in the liver is HMP shunt. Okay, HMP shunt. All of the following tissues are capable of using ketone bodies except red blood cells. Biosynthesis of Tg and lecithin both require intermediate phosphatidic acid. All of the following are associated with metabolic alkalosis except diuretic therapy. The metabolic alkalosis associated with prolonged vomiting or gastric aspiration is due to loss of which of the following? Chloride ion. Which of the following biochemical parameter is true in case of respiratory acidosis in uncompensated phase? Disproportionate increase in H2CO3. The milk protein in stomach is in the stomach in an adult is digested by pepsin. The following the two nitrogen atom is in urea arise from ammonia and aspartic acid. Which of the following substance is responsible for GI disturbance and respiratory distress seen in carcinoid syndrome? 5-OH tryptamine. During degradation of amino acid, leucine is acetyl CoA. It produces which compound that helps in cholesterol biosynthesis? BOH, B-methyl glutaryl CoA. In conversion of lactic acid to glucose, 3 reactions of glycolytic pathway are circumvented. Which of the following enzymes do not participate? Pyruvate kinase. McArdle's disease involves a deficiency of which enzyme? Muscle phosphorylase. In the normal resting state of humans, most of the blood glucose burnt as fuel is consumed by brain. In normal resting state of humans, most of the blood glucose burnt as fuel is consumed by हाँ जो mental stress में होता है. A regulator of enzyme glycogen synthesis is glucose 6-PO4. Which of the following pathways is considered as amphiphilic in nature? Citric and acidic cycle. Which of the following hormone is not involved in carbohydrate metabolism? Vasopressin. In hyperparathyroidism, which of the following is correct? High serum calcium and low serum phosphorus.